Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk some more about the do's and don'ts in these photos that we see. And in this first photo, looks like we're in an attic of some type, and we're set up in a very, very small area. Vertical speakers, gear in the middle, big cabinet, big no-no. Cabinets produce resonances. You can measure them. We do it all the time in the studio. So you want to stay away from all types of enclosures. You could think of that cabinet as a speaker. Now, it's not active, it's not powered by electricity, but it will produce energy. It won't produce energy, but it'll produce distortions. So you don't want any hollow cavities between your speakers. That's not a good thing. And then we've got all kinds of issues going on with the side walls. So we want to be careful there. No treatment of any kind I don't see. So this is kind of a tough situation. It's a very, very small room. Speakers need to be much farther apart, and that's not going to happen because the room is so small. Let's take a look at the next photo. Oh, more gear. Wonderful. That's what I want to see, another amplifier. Okay. So anyway, common mistakes made here. Looks like table in the foreground there, so not an ideal situation. Okay. Let's look at this another one. New setup. Oh, much better. Okay. Space. Got some free space to work with. Sound needs free space. So, got some monitors. Got a very small cabinet at the bottom, which is okay. Nothing in the way of the mid-range drivers and tweeters. Television on the wall, video screen on the wall. Let's see if we can see what we've got for left channel. It looks like left channel and right channel, yeah, good separation there, good distance to the walls. A little too close to the wall on the setup, needs to come out into the room more. Looks like we've got some room to do that. That coffee table in front has got to go. You can't have a hard surface like that right in front of your listening position because you've got floor to ceiling reflections. You've got sidewall reflections, and those are all going to bounce off the table. So you got a big problem right there that you have to be aware of. But this is much better than we usually see. Obviously, treatment would go a long way in this room. So it's probably not a critical listening environment, but it's more for listening to audio with the video screen. This is a much better setup than we usually see. So let's take another one. New apartment. Let's see what this one is. All right, so it looks like we got very small area, lots of clutter between the speakers. Supertramp album, great recording. It's a good recording to use if you like rock music. Very close side walls. Too much clutter in the middle. If you removed all that and put the screen on the wall, you'd have much better sound stage and definition. But that's it's a common mistake that we see. So let's take the last one. Upgraded from B&W, so the equipment increase. What is that? Is that a table in the middle there between the speakers? Jeez, not good idea there. And he's got a little cabinet that the screen's set on. I can't see what's going on in the side walls. And once again, no treatment. So, geez, another example of what not to do. Why would you have a table between the speakers? And I'm going to assume your listening position is at the end of the table. So this is more for casual listening, I guess, and not critical listening. Got candelabra there, so it's probably you're going to eat and listen to music, which is good. I do that myself, but it's not really going to be a critical listening environment. And the surface of that table looks like some hard surface material like marble or granite or something like that. So lots of reflections, lots of examples of what not to do here. So, okay. So hope this all helps. Thank you.
thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.